Hello! I know it's a bit late because I made this other parts for this video I made a while back. In fact, it was back in June. I had purchased the DJI Osmo Action #1. Obviously now there's the Action 3 which has just come out, but unfortunately for me it's too late because I'm going away and it's not available unless I order it, and it won't be here in time, so I am stuck with the Osmo Action #1, but I do have two of them because I love it so much. It is a completely different experience for me because up until quite recently I was using the GoPro 4, and then I tried, for my last trip in May, I tried the Fayutech Rika. I tried the Fayutech Rika, and of course I went completely overboard with that. I bought two of them because I like to have two of everything when I go abroad, because you never know. And luckily for me, I needed it because I went abroad, and in the airport in London the camera fell on the floor and it wouldn't work until I got to Thailand. So luckily I had two. Now obviously the reason why I don't use them anymore was the overall experience was terrible. I had tested it and I had done lots of videoing around, and I was quite happy with the outcome of it, but it seems like when I got there the audio was crap and the cameras kept on really annoying me because you didn't know whether they were on, off or whatever. Oftentimes you turn it on and it would turn off again. I don't think it was an error. I don't think it was a problem with the camera. I think it was just the fact that the way that you do it. So you long press and it comes on, and long press and short press it will come on and record, but it doesn't always do that. So I lost footage as well. Now, unlike that, when I got back here, I decided to investigate the Osmo Action #1. And I was so impressed that I got two of them. I had to buy them on eBay because they're not available. And my entire setup is actually quite good because so we have the audio adapter, and it goes into the OM. I've managed to sort of, if it will stand up, I've got the cable, there's a cable running around it down, and it goes down to the bottom here where I have a bracket for the wireless receiver, and obviously then it can all be plugged in and to get perfect audio. And I only have one Rode set up, so no, I tell a lie, I've got two of those. I've got the original Rode, which is one receiver, one transmitter, and I've got the newer version which I've had for a little while, which is two transmitters. So that is my main audio system, and of course where I had the Fayutech Rika, I would have to record it onto the backup and then sync up. And to be fair, it's a major job. Every single video you have to try and sync up, and I didn't like it in the end. I just thought this is a crazy idea. Now I can just record audio and it goes onto the video track. I don't need to worry about it. Now you'll see from these clips, I've done a few, and I was using the Osmo when I first got it because I thought I might try the audio, the voice control. Didn't quite work for me. In the end I just turned it off. But anyway, have a look and see, and you'll see that I've done a little strip out as well. Okay, I can't be doing with that. So here we are. Is that level? I don't know if that's level. Change screen. Change screen. You can't do it with Now we're on the audio. We've got the Road Go 2, and we're set up for Wi-Fi, and it's going directly into the camera with the HOHEM iStudy 4 and Osmo Action. So this is the Osmo Action original version with the microphone adapter on the side. We're currently recording in 4K 30 HDR. Obviously, when you have HDR, Rocksteady is not on, but that doesn't really matter too much because we're on the gimbal. Oh, I've got a bit of wind there. Oh dear. So interesting. I've formatted the SD card now, so it's starting off with fresh, and it is 256 in size, and it says on here 339. I don't know what that refers to. Oh, it's currently 337. Is that minutes? I don't know how many minutes that is. 6120. That's 2 hours, 4 hours, 240. So it's 5 hours, so 560 to 30. So it's 5.5 hours for a 4K HDR video, because obviously HDR uses a lot more space. It's the HDR special. I don't understand it, but I had a video I watched and it was quite clear. Now the beauty of this is, and the whole point, we got somebody at the door. Let's see if we can get the screen back on. It's not a touch screen on the back. Is that going to come back on? Yeah, it's come back on. So that's been recording. So we'll see what the audio's like as well, because I was in the corridor, not in the same room, and 12 minutes recording. It hasn't overheated yet. I'm quite impressed, actually. I might have to send that as a gimbal back and the cage, because I don't think they're going to be suitable, because this gimbal allows you to fit on the scooter. What I might do is get another one of these as a spare. Get another iStudy 4. Hopefully they'll bring out an iStudy 5, because there are a few annoying things about this gimbal that I don't like. But I do have a cable, so I can use it for the Phasetech Rika camera, so that's good. Yes, very impressed. I should have cleaned that before I used it. Right, what we have to do is take this into the office and see if it actually has recorded anything. The voice commands are not working. I don't know why. Stop recording. Stop video. Start video. I don't know. Right. And some clothing.
Thank you so much.
Hondo. That's fairly new. I've not seen that one before. Oh, we've got the Watchman. The service was rubbish, so I was waiting for my coffee and they didn't bother coming. So we're going to try it again. It should be better, but it's looking, could be a bit heaving in there. Should be plenty of space. Yep. And this one over here. This one's going to Swindon.
It will be, yes.
Yeah. I'm going to Melksham.
Right, okay. We'll get the train away. No, platform 2.
We got 15 minutes. Yeah, I've got 15 minutes.
I'll whip round and we'll get you up.
That's it. Basically, there's nothing here. It is literally a small platform, one platform. There's no other platform on the other side, so there's no problem with worrying about getting across. There's only one platform, so, and we'll just see it go out. And there it goes. 158766. I don't know what's going on with this gimbal. It quite literally is running out of battery already. So this is Melksham. We are in allegedly either Station Road or Station Approach. There is a cafe and toilet. Cafe and toilet. Not sure if that's open, but this is basically Station Approach. So we've got Melksham tyres. Oh, there is a cafe there. It's there, just down there. It's quite nice. Nice little outside area. Table. Hub cafe. So I am very impressed with the DJI Osmo Action, and I'm even more impressed with version 3, which I haven't got yet, but I have seen loads of reviews, and I'm very, very happy to say that I will be getting it probably when I get back. Currently, I have 2 or 3 days left, so there isn't enough time for me to get one, but it's a pity really, because it would have been quite good. Okay, so if you like that, then obviously give it a thumbs up and like and a share and all of that business, and I look forward to seeing you for my next review. Have a good day.